Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming prerequisites. Power the Nanoleaf and make sure your router is broadcasting a 2.4 GHz network, because Homekit won't use 5 GHz for pairing. Once done, open the Nanoleaf app and sign in. This registers the panel to your account. Next, tap Add Device and choose the model. You do this because the Nanoleaf app prepares the accessory for Homekit by generating or revealing the Homekit setup code, which you'll use in the next step. Now you move into the detailed connection. You should reveal the Homekit setup code from the Nanoleaf app. It's typically 8 digits or a scannable pattern. Open the Home app on your iPhone, tap the plus icon and choose Add Accessory. Scan the code or manually enter it if scanning fails. Once Homekit recognizes the device, assign a clear name and room so Siri and automations can target it reliably. Take a moment to configure initial scenes and brightness limits for consistent behavior. Finish by verifying the Nanoleaf responds in the Home app and to Siri voice commands. Test on /off, brightness, and color changes. Then create scenes or automations like wake or relax so your panels behave automatically. If pairing fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the Nanoleaf and your router. Ensure your iPhone is on the same 2.4 GHz network and toggle Bluetooth briefly, then attempt pairing again. These steps resolve most discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.